Hi friends, today we're ready for Unit 5, Week 2, Day 5. This week we've been talking about what can you see in the sky. We talk about moon, the stars, clouds, birds, airplanes. We've talked about lots of different things that we can see in the sky. Alright, so today we're just going to review some of our vocabulary words and our sight words, and then we're going to be rereading our stories for the week as well. Let's go ahead and start. Do you remember what this vocab word is? Observe. And what does observe mean? You watch it carefully, right? If we are looking at stars, we can use a telescope to look at them. All right. What's this word? Vast. And remember, when something is vast, it is really large, right? We learned about the sea being vast, right? It's really big. All right, what's this word? Certain. If you are certain about something, you are sure it's true, right? You know it's true. Remained. Remained means that it stayed the same, right? It stayed in place, did not change. Remained. All right, here's our last vocab word. Thoughtful. A person who is thoughtful is kind and thinks about how others feel. All right. We're going to be replacing some sounds today. So our word is fur. Say fur. Okay. We're going to change to R. R. Far. Nice job. All right. Your word is burn. Take off. Add R. Barn. Barn. Nice job. Your word is herd. Take off. Add ed. Head. Your word is term. Take off. Add aim. Tame. Nice job. Your word is shirt. Take off. Add ort. Short. Your word is stir. Take off. Add stay. Nice job. All right, this week we've been learning about ER, IR, UR, and OR, and how all of those spellings can say the sound, like in her. All right, let's get our lion paws out, and let's get ready to tap. Dirt. Term. Skirt. Shirt. Nice job. All right, we're going to review these 2 times really quick. Are you ready? Here we go. Great. Pour. Full. Through. Climb. Another. Let's whisper. Pour. Climb. Full. Through. Another. Great. Remember, if you're still struggling with these, play a game. Memory. Go fish, right? Build them with Play-Doh. Make sure you practice these, because when you read, and if you know them and you don't have to sound them out or try to figure them out, it makes it easier for you when you're reading your stories. All right, so I am done giving instruction today, but you're going to click on the other stories and you're going to read with me today. We've read them several times, so you should be good to go. And we'll see you next time. Bye.